You've been running all around in circles trying to find a purpose that you already had. You've been acting out of childhood trauma, it was learning behavior from your mom and dad. If only you could open your eyes, open your eyes. You've been craving all the validation from the people that you swore you'd never become. All of the leeches, the preachers, the demons are giving you zannies and drinking your blood. If only you could open your eyes and ask yourself why are you so afraid?